In this video, I'm going to teach you the Dark Horse Survival tips and tricks for the formation, heroes, and factions. So we'll give you right here master every unit type for strategic domination. So first, you need to understand the troop types. We have infantry units, which are your frontliners, ideal for absorbing enemy damage. We also have ranged units, which is best for behind infantry. Ranged units deliver consistent DPS from a distance. So we also have support units, which provide buffs, healing, and debuffs, as well as special units that heroes can unlock or lead specialized troops to provide tactical advantages. You need to actually build a balanced army for this, because a strong army is about balance, not just raw power. Focus on maintaining a 3:2:1 ratio between infantry, range, and support units in your early game. So when you progress, you can get more advanced units that you can customize based on your liking. So here are some deployment strategies and hero synergies. You can choose between heroes available depending on what you want needed. Pairing troops with synergistic heroes further boosts efficiency as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.